in 1919, Talmadge, Dirk Neal buys 2 acres and builds a store where the park is at today. Eagle Nest Mercantile. So, there's a little bit. And what was Doe Belly's last name? He wrote a book. It was The Logic of Doe Belly or something. He was a character. He gets arrested a lot of times for gambling too. So, there you go. And this, Moreno Cafe and Bar, there's a character there, huh? And a lot of this stuff you'll see, I did a walking tour of Main Street, put those signs up on Main Street, so there's a lot more interpretive stuff on the signs we're going to go over today. So anyhow, so this guy was arrested for gambling, I remember that, and this is where where Betty Fleischner's old store was, where the D&B Mercantile is now. So Eagle Nest is on the map as a premier outdoor destination, and that's one of the reasons why. And Salty Reed had a guide service here, had Salty on the left. I believe that is Bruce Kite on the right. Is that Bruce? Anybody know who Bruce is?
Kind of looks like him.
Yeah. And the 2 people in the middle, we'll find out who they are later. So these are the docks that he used for the Eagle Nest Lodge. There you go, another picture of it. The guy on the left there, looking at it, far left, looking at it was Will Rogers. It's not, but it looks similar to him. So, stage is set. Outdoor Central and other diversions. From tents and early RVs and cabins to the Eagle Nest Lodge. So 1927. High-end resort. So, in 1927, construction starts on the lodge. And there was a large ornamental fish pond there, and it's still there today. And there's a picture of it. And if you've tried to walk on it.
So it was only open really for 17 years, and it's not.
So you can't really see anything from here anymore. But you could see in some of those pictures, all these trees weren't here. And these pillars are still here, but the eagles are gone. I'll go around and get another view looking at it, but yeah, no trespassing. Keep out private property. Eagle Nest Ranch. But you can't see anything from down there. I mean from here. So we'll go up on top and look down. And just show you. Here's the lake. We still get people asking us if the lodge is open. Of course, it isn't. And it's falling down now. So I wanted to show you how it is today. All right, there it is. Falling down. That's not even a great picture. It's better coming from this way to see it.